Greetings of the day, students. In the subject of integrated marketing, communication, and brand management, we are going to, in the lecture number 14, we are going to talk about the two concepts, trade promotion and personal selling. So, we will start the lecture with the trade promotion. So, student, in the consumer goods space, successful brands and wholesale distributors realize the importance of trade promotion. The trade promotion is a promotional offers which are given in the B2B space, that is business to business commerce activities. So what happens is wholesalers, distributors realize the importance of trade promotion and they use them to gain the edge over the other brands. So trade promotion take many forms. So they can vary between offering markdowns when introducing new product lines, or we can execute the creative ideas in the store, such as suppose we will be providing our retail store a motion sensing cardboard cutouts which will react to passing by customers with a jingle. So we can do an n number of things in trade promotion. So suppose if you want to promote your product or service in particular sector or particular market, you have to contact with the various retailers. You have to offer them various promotional offers, but you cannot promote B2B customer, like business to business customer, in the same way you would promote your product to the customers. That means in earlier lecture we have seen the customer promotion, right? So there we have seen how you can attract the attention of customer, but same you cannot promote, same thing you cannot use in B2B commerce activity, business to business commerce activity. So consumer promotions oftenly referred as the sales promotion, work by driving demand for the product or services. But there we typically offered something to the customer, such as discount or premium or any other gift and more. But in trade marketing it involves the business to business promotion focused on the supply side. So supply side means there we have to give incentives to the retailers to buy more products, and if they are widely available with the retailer, then only customer will attract to the products and they will purchase those products. So when we saw this thing, we will got to know about is that customer or consumer promotion are more demand driven and trade promotion are more supply driven. So what will be the definition of trade promotion? So trade promotions are marketing activity wherein we offered some incentive by brands to the to the wholesalers to or wholesalers or the business customers. So mainly we approach the retailers or the convenience stores, and therein we have to talk to them and offer some discounts or give them some various promotional tools. And in the retail they are going to display your products more, or they will get more products in their shops. So they also work by innovating distribution and retail channels also. So they become very proactive about their consumer facing promotional activities. So that is for a trade promotion. Now when we see in earlier lecture we have seen the consumer promotion and various tools of it. In trade promotion, where we have some tools. The first one we have is, which is very common, that is in-store display. So what happens is, In-store displays are very like it is a great tool to use to make sure that your products stand out. What happens is in a retail store there will be some particular place wherein product, if suppose that product is displayed at particular place, the customer is going to buy that product, and that is where we are focusing to get this kind of space for your product. So that space makes your product stand out, and that space is also come with the additional cost. But those retail shop space are known as point of purchase displays, where you have to place your product, which are designed to encourage shoppers to impulse buy while waiting to pay. You oftenly observe if suppose you have a shop at big bazaar kind of stores, you will get to know is when you wait in a line for billing line, you will get to know there are some baskets which are putted which put which they put in front of the billing desk, wherein you will say random things, and most of the time you will pick those things, and you will shop those things which generally does not need. So those are known as POP placements. POP placements are point of purchase placement. Now, there are many examples of it. One of them I have given you. Another example will be, suppose you have going roaming in a retail store, you will see there will be some floor stickers, or there will be some posters or banner which will encourage you to purchase the particular product. There will be some life size displays also, that is also known as the in-store display. So what happens is, therein the all these tools are used to promote or used to grab the attention of customers, and they will definitely buy your product if they are going to see this kind of efforts. The next you have is deals and discounts. So as the name suggests, the main decision making criteria for most of the people when making a purchase is how much it will cost you. So the pricing factor or the cost factor is very important factor when you take any decision regarding a purchase. So this mentality does not change in business to business industry. They do have this kind of thing only. So price is the major influencing factor in purchasing decisions. So and then another factor from that, is it really worth it? That means the product value for money. So when you are going to approach a new product, you have to give them some deals or discounts, and deals and discounts will be a very good tactic to attract the wholesalers or retailers. So the aim to entice existing customer to buy more and encourage new customers to try your product, the discount, giving them, offering them discount is the most successful tactics so far in the marketing. Next you have is, you can give them the price reduction, or you can give them certain percentage off, or you can give them the special offers, such as if suppose you are purchase a product of X of my company, then you will get some discount on the Y item. That you can do. You can give them the free samples. If you are purchasing something, you will give another new product sample with it. So that you can do in deals and discounts. Next you have is bundles. Just a second. The second we have seen is deals and discounts. Now we are going to talk about the bundles. So bundles, product bundles are another popular way for brands to increase their sale and to approach their customers. So there are many different examples of product bundles, including those are based on season or the fashion, the back to school events and more. Suppose for taking an example, if suppose there are nowadays it is very popular concept that back to school events, so therein we have seen that there will be a bundle of some stationery, like there will be some pencil box, rubber box, sharpeners, then you do have some pens, you do have a register, and there will be combo for it. So those are known as the bundles, so wherein you will get all kind of stationery which you are going to use in a school in a one bundle. So that way you can approach to the customer, and that will be more convenient for the customer. If suppose those bundles are not available, I have to look for each and everything separately in a retail store, and that is why product bundles are very popular in a way. So they are very famous because they are very convenient. Okay, so that's it for bundles. Next you have is rebates. So rebates are nothing but the money back offers. So rebates offer the money back to the customer under the special condition. Like there are so many things, like nowadays e-commerce sites also giving this thing. If suppose you are purchasing with particular bank card, you will get 20% rebate to your account. So that is nothing but the money back thing or the refund thing. So an example is when a percentage of purchase price is written by a brand to the buyer when they purchase a particular product on previously agreed quantity or the value of goods within a specific time period. The rebates will be given after payment quantity to discount which are deducted at the time of purchase. So what happens is it is nothing but a discount only. But what happens is first here we will make sure that customers are purchasing your products, and then you are giving them money back, and that is nothing but the discount. But the discount will be at the time of purchasing, but rebates will be after you purchase a particular product, you will be getting your money back. That is rebates. Next you have a sales contest. So sales contest provides incentive to the retailers if they sell more of your product. So either within a specific store or across the branches. So this incentive being a gift, or even you can offer them special bonus, or you can offer them various things like foreign trips or gold coins or cash offers, so that you can offer to them. So there are various sales contests which happens between the retailers, and if suppose they are selling your products more and more, they will get the thing. So definitely sales contest will motivate your retailers, and sometimes cash and gifts are fine, but some of the retailer will be motivated by the experiences or even the opportunities to better themselves and continue to achieve the sales in the upcoming time also. So sales contests are famously used in trade promotion. That's it for trade promotion. We have seen 5 promotional tools. The first one we have is in-store display, then we have seen deals and discount, then we have seen bundles, rebates and sale contests. Now we will move to the personal selling thing. So as we have talked about the personal selling in the sales and distribution management subject also. So personal selling can be defined as a direct and face-to-face communication between a seller and a buyer. So what happens in there, that in communication, the seller will provide the information about the firm and its products, and the buyer, he or she can make the decision about the purchasing the product or not. It's a two-way communication. So here we allow buyers to actively participate in the communication process also. So if we see the definition of personal selling, so personal selling is this oral presentation in a conversation with one or more prospective purchasers for the purpose of making sales. This definition is according to the American Marketing Association. So personal selling builds the relationship between the seller and the customers, which in turn make it a unique form of selling. What happens is you can customize your plan, you can perceive your customer rather than pressurizing them. So it is an only method of direct sales promotion. Although the personal selling is very flexible and very efficient method of sales promotion, but it also includes a huge cost, and that is why most of the time organization do avoid to go for personal selling. Now we will see some functions of personal selling. The first and foremost function of personal selling is personal selling is an important method wherein you can demonstrate your product to the prospective customers, and you can give them the full information about the product. So it is very easier to perceive the person to buy a product through face-to-face explanation or through the personal selling. So that is very important function of personal selling. The second function we have is, in the most of the situation there is a need of explaining about the quality or the attributes about the product, like uses, prices, and about the product to the buyer. So if suppose you are going for personal selling, it will help them to purchase, and that will give them the feeling of satisfying the want of for their product. So salesmanship here will be play a very important role in the point of buyers also. Now next function of personal selling is, a good salesperson always educates and guides the customer about the as we have seen that features and utility of the product. He will give all the information which is related with the product, and that information should be conveyed to the customer in an efficient manner also. Next function you have is, if suppose a product cannot fully satisfy the needs of customers, the information will transmitted to the manufacturer also. So who will take that appropriate step? The salesperson will take that appropriate step. Suppose do salesperson feels that a customer do have some productive suggestions about the products or the information which will help them to satisfy the wants of the particular customer, he will convey this information to the manufacturer also. So in those cases manufacturer can focus more on the attributes of product rather than selling them, because selling part has been taken care by the personal salesperson. Okay, next you have is salesperson can also handle the objection of the customers. So creative salesman will always ready to help the customer to arrive at a correct decision while buying the certain products, and that is why on the spot you can handle the objections of customer, you can mold the situation towards making a sale, and that you can do only in personal selling. The next you have is, there is a direct face-to-face communication between the seller and the buyer, right? So the salesperson can receive feedback directly from the customer on a continuous basis with the help of personal selling. This will also help him to modify his presentation or taking other steps to sell the satisfaction of the buyer also. So that's it for personal selling today. You can refer to the sales and distribution lecture number 13 for deeper understanding towards the personal selling. Until then, stay tuned and please subscribe to the channel of GS College of Commerce for the e-learning. Thank you.